This is Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies. OMT, only mass transit. Since 1997, Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies has been leading the mass transit service industry with innovative methods for contract manufacturing, logistics, assembly, and warehousing. Discover the OMT advantage when you partner with Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies. Company founder Michael Fitzgerald, a former systems engineer with GE Aerospace and an industrial equipment sales engineer, saw the need for short volume tube fabrication orders and developed a specialized method to manage, develop, and manufacture parts for the mass transit industry, including small and large outer diameter tube fabrication and assembly, copper tube fabrication and assembly, bus sub-assemblies including modesty and upholstered interior panels, handrails, grab bars, and luggage racks, hydraulic hose fabricating, air conditioning compressor assembly and packaging, all with rapid turnaround time and with the most competitive pricing in the industry. Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies specializes in the servicing of the mass transit markets, both in the U.S. and worldwide, focusing on OEM bus builders.
Our information technology system was specifically designed to deal with the rapidly changing needs of our customers. Our cellular manufacturing approach allows us to focus on very different, yet related, manufacturing processes. For instance, our company began with the simple manufacturing of stanchions. Soon after, we added copper and HVAC assemblies to the mix. This eventually led to the assembly of modesty panels, to powder coating, to the carpeting of vacuum formed panels, hose assemblies, and the manufacture of large diameter tube fabrications. And the beauty of our cellular approach is that it allows us to expand and add new cells as our customers send us new and different requests. Our lean manufacturing process is the reason we're able to turn engineering changes around rapidly. Our engineers often find ways of improving various parts other than originally designed, and we offer these innovations back to our customers.
Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies' adaptation of lean manufacturing, unique cellular approach, ability to identify and correct quality issues, and introduce new innovative designs helps bus manufacturing customers obtain their production goals and stay within operational budgets. Customers including Motor Coach Industries, Daimler Orion Bus, Millennium Transit Services, Prevo, Design Line, American Power Conversion, Carrier, North American Bus, New Flyer, Nova Bus, and others. Realizing that customer needs are always changing and that short lead times are key to survival, Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies frequently reviews its production process, improvising and improving as needed, an integral practice of lean manufacturing.
The Mohawk Valley Applied Technology Corporation is part of the National Manufacturing Extension Partnership Program. It's sponsored by NIST, the National Institutes of Standards and Technologies. Our mission is to come out and improve the global competitiveness of companies throughout our region and as part of the national program throughout the nation. Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies first started working with MVATC back in 2002. We started working on lean manufacturing. The goal was for Oriskany Manufacturing to become a world-class company producing products in a world-class way using the fewest number of resources in an environmentally sound way and improving quality. One of the goals with lean manufacturing is to be able to produce products at the demand of the customer. So you don't have inventory sitting around, so that you can produce it in a just-in-time fashion so that the customer gets what he wants, when he wants it, how he wants it. Now what happens in a manufacturing process, you have multiple processes that need to take place in order to produce a part. One of those processes is going to be the slowest part of the process. Therefore, what you do is you maximize your energies on improving that process so that you can balance the line, and that's working on theory of constraints.
A key element in OMT's manufacturing process is its unique logistical approach referred to by OMT workers as the tracker. The tracker system identifies the sequence of operations and status for every part by job or order number during the part manufacturing process.
Everyone here that uses it has kind of grown up with the tracker as the tracker has grown. People will tell you that it saves them time because the reports are timely, and the tools that are available help them understand what they have to do.
As a part moves through its various fabrication cells, workers will clock into the tracker system, which helps the company keep track of where the part is and its progress.
We have hundreds of machines in the factory, some very manual, some very computerized, where this part will be fabricated by going through various steps such as being cut, being bent, having parts brazed together, and various QA quality assurance steps in between each one of those workstations.
Production managers supervise this progress by continuously checking what is called the order board. Another time-saving benefit of the tracker is its ability to receive and process customer orders. Over 90% of orders are received electronically, such as text or RTF documents and emails.
We have built into the tracker the ability to import from these various media directly into our order board and bypass all the manual entry that used to be done a long time ago. There's a great time savings there, and I mean time savings literally in days for hundreds of parts that might come in from one customer. To have it come in all electronically in 10, 20, 30 minutes to really several days of manual data entry.
With this kind of time savings, Oriskany Manufacturing is able to turn around many parts in as little as 1 to 2 days. Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies also has the capabilities to operate and manage multiple manufacturing locations specific to the mass transit market. In addition to managing multiple sites, Oriskany Manufacturing is able to provide small quantities of thousands of parts. This allows customers to order as little as 1 or 2 pieces when needed, as opposed to purchasing unnecessary larger quantities.
One of the big advantages to that is you're producing the product that the customer wants at the time the customer needs it, so that you're not warehousing parts, you're not tying up money in inventory, and what you're doing is you're making sure that the customer gets exactly what the customer wants, not what you have.
As you have seen, OMT's approach to logistics, assembly, warehousing, and attention to delivery has helped the company to rise within the mass transit industry and recognized for its outstanding service achievements.
When our company in New Mexico began its operation, we had to establish a supplier base. This included suppliers for new products as well as replacement suppliers for the previous company's vendor base. Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies, through its local operation in Roswell, was one of these new suppliers. As we were making numerous changes to our product, OMT personnel worked closely with our staff on prototyping some of these changes. Once production of buses began, several design changes were required, and OMT was quick to assist with these changes to meet our production schedule. As well as fabricating various parts, OMT has offered other services related to inventory and supply, which we will review and consider as we move forward. Bill Byerly, Vice President Production, Millennium Transit Services.
Oriskany Manufacturing has been a trusted supplier of new flyers for 5 years. They have proven to be a quality, on-time manufacturer, as our recently awarded New Flyer Silver Performer Recognition Award for 2009 for supply performance to our 3 manufacturing plants in Canada and the U.S. David White, Vice President of Purchasing and Materials, New Flyer Industries.
Oriskany Manufacturing has become a trusted partner for many years, delivering high-quality, complex assemblies and parts used in the assembly of our buses sold in the U.S. They have become a valued source for a multitude of goods due to their excellent on-time delivery and favorable cost. We continue to count on OMT for their exceptional support as we move to our newest bus developments today and into the future. Truly a highly reliable source. Mark Sednick, Director of Manufacturing, North American Bus Industries.
Lean manufacturing revolutionized the production process in the United States and around the world, and Oriskany Manufacturing is a leader in this. One of the big advantages for Mohawk Valley Applied Technology working with Oriskany Manufacturing, and we've been able to use them as a laboratory to help us better learn new processes, new skills, new procedures that can be implemented in other companies. It's a great benefit having a company like that right here in our region. Mohawk Valley Applied Technology Corporation has been able to recommend the skills of Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies to many of our other customers, and we know that when we recommend them, our customers will get what they want, when they want, how they want it.
With the addition of a new 80,000 square foot facility, OMT's manufacturing process has become even more streamlined, enabling the company to not only handle more volume, but to also remain the most efficient transit parts manufacturer and fabricator.
For us, it's always been about the client and helping our customers achieve their goals. And that's driven our business from day one. Thank you for letting us share our company and the special skills our team can provide to you.
OMT is Only Mass Transit. Oriskany Manufacturing Technologies. A road-worthy choice.